बढ़िया, बढ़िया। आपका रेगुलर फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ आ रहा है ना कब से? कई दिन से? अच्छा, 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 अच्छा। तो हम वीडियो कॉल पे आ सकते हैं क्या? जस्ट अ मिनट। गिव मी अ मिनट। लेट मी पुट ऑन द लैपटॉप। जो हो गया है वो दिखाना है आपको। अब ये बहुत कुछ हो गया है, बस आप ये समझ लो कि जो होना था वो हो गया है। अब उसके बाद तो सोचने का काम ज़रूरत नहीं है कुछ भी करने की, सोचने की। लाइट्स जला दूँ। जी, आपको दिख रहा है? जी, 1 सेकंड, मैं इसको बड़ा कर ये है मशीन नंबर 1। It reaches -25 within 6 minutes. 20 by 20 by 3 is the size of the cavity. 20 inch by 20 inch by 3 inch. Every machine has an energy meter, so that we know what is in the, we don't need to see how many watt, voltage, current, what is the use of measuring all those things. Finally, we need how many units are gone. Finally तो वही चाहिए ना सर। हम वोल्ट एम्पीयर मीटर लेके नापते रहते हैं उसको, इतना वाट इतना चला होगा, इतना कैलकुलेशन क्यों करना है? तो दैट्स अ गैप बिटवीन मेजरमेंट। वो ठीक किया। इसमें जूस को शावर करेंगे, ठीक है? या मिल्क या जूस को शावर करेंगे, तो इस टैप से हमें 3 डिग्री में मिलेगा, मतलब रूम टेम्परेचर तो 3 डिग्री इंस्टेंटली। It is below 5 degrees centigrade, so it is out of the bacterial infection, ठीक है? From here, we'll take this juice to another machine. This is a vending machine. No, this is a vending machine, not milk vending machine. This is a vending machine for sugarcane juice. 3 degree juice you put into this machine, it will maintain it at 3 degree. For 24 hours, no change in color, no change in taste. I need to test that. I have just tried once for 24 days. For 24 hours. It will be more. I believe it will be more, but we need to test it again. After 24 hours, we had finished the juice. That's why we couldn't test for more. Yeah. Because every time we taste, we take a glass, somebody else take a glass. So that's why. This is a product. Yes, 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 yes. 24 hours, 1 unit. Right, so sugarcane juice vending will be changed in India now. No sugarcane machine, no sugarcane. Just refill this, and we need to make this machine intelligent, right? That way and SMS, all those things. Oh, lovely. So we are going to take standard machine from Rockwell. Is stainless steel water cooler. We will modify that cooler. 40-liter cooler we will modify. They have higher capacity also, but I believe that higher capacity should not be used. Refill should be done because If you put higher capacity, if you are not using the juice, it will be wasted. Right? So 40 liter and refill. Standard machine 40 liter. Maybe some in times 1,000 glasses of 200 ml is not a big deal in a crowded area a day. And Campa Cola is coming with 200 ml at 10 rupees. So our juice can be 200 ml at 10 rupees. We need to push with money, technology, everything, this product. Right? So this is one application of the machine. Now move further. This machine, if we put the tap off, it will handle 15 liters of the liquid, whether juice or milk. Right? No, one five. So 1.5 liter of the juice, it will freeze in 3 hours. Or milk, whatever you freeze, right? When we freeze those things, we take it out. We defrost. We have a defrost button below, so that we can put the block out of the machine, right? And we cut it and stick it into this pan, right? And after that, right now the crusher is not here. I have sent it for some modification, but a normal ice crusher, Amazon product, 6,000 rupees. We'll use that crusher to crush this block, right? And the frozen crushed material will be taken to another machine. We'll use this. I'm not able to open the lid because I'm alone here and my force is not working properly. But it is a centrifuge like spin dryer in your washing machine. No? We'll put the we'll, we'll put the frozen material in a thali in this machine. Within 3 minutes, it will separate the water out of the juice. Matlab, and milk also. The volume will remain one third. Like 9 liter milk will become 3 liter. Yes. Yes. We will have water in the shape of ice inside the machine, and juice or milk will come outside from this tap. So we have dewatered it without heating. Fresh milk, fresh juice. Right? After that, we have two options. If we want to store it in a frozen condition, take it back to the same machine, freeze it, and take it to your refrigerator or diffuser, wherever you want to take. Right? If you want to pasteurize it, we have a small pasteurizer here, 30 liter capacity. Back heating, oil-based heating, and low speed stirrer. Right? This machine will be actually, you can pasteurize it at a desired temperature like 80 degrees centigrade or 70 degrees centigrade and take it out. So if you want to make rabdi, you can extend the heating for certain hours. It will create the rabdi texture and you can add sweetener and start the kulfi making. Right? If you pasteurize the juice, because you cannot get more than 50 bricks out of the freeze concentration. So 50 bricks will be put to this machine. You can take it to 60, 70, 80, 90, wherever you want to take through heating. Right? 60 bricks juice will taste like honey. You cannot differentiate whether it is honey or juice. And 80 bricks will taste like jaggery, liquid jaggery. Now that 80 bricks, 80 plus bricks juice, you cool it down, right? And then stir it with a slow speed. Maybe this machine may also work. It will create crystal inside within 2 3 days. That crystallized juice you again put it here in the same machine. You will have citric acid inside and juice outside. So you are able to make liquid jaggery of different bricks, jaggery and desi khand and kulfi and jam, jelly, chutney, all that can be done in the small machine, right? So we are done with the, we can do anything with these combination of magical machines. Lemon juice, I concentrated from 3 liter to 1.5 liter. 2 drops of that concentrate are enough for your lemonade, right? So if you want to make ice cream, you should take this raw milk to this machine. There is a heating cooling combination and high speed blender. So it will pasteurize, homogenize, cool, age. Four function of the series of the ice cream making will be done in the same machine, 25-liter capacity, right? You take out the material, take it to the colloidal mill. It will put air, like 1 liter will become 1.25 liters. And the same machine will be able to make chutney into sauce, like it smooths colloidal mill. If you find out in the narrative, you will find how multifunction this machine is. So again, you take it to the mold, use this paste filling machine, fill the mold, take the mold to the same machine for freezing. Within 2 hours, you can get 40 kulfis. And after taking out the kulfi from here, you can demold it and send it for the hardening to the chusky maker, minus 35. Right? Your mold requirement will reduce because you can only use 2 set of molds. Repeat it here. You don't need to have multiple of molds. Are you happy? we need to we need to now. Yeah, please. अभी कॉस्ट इसलिए नहीं बोल सकता मैं सर, अभी तो फर्स्ट प्रोटोटाइप है ना। तो फिनिशिंग फीचर एडिंग वो सब होगा अभी इसमें, ठीक है ना। और वी डोंट नीड टू सेल सिंगल मशीन, वी शुड विल बी ऑलवेज सेलिंग कंप्लीट सेटअप, राइट। Second thing, we want to have IoT control on these machines so that wherever machine is functioning, whatever it is doing, it is under our observation. Yeah. Okay. 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 Mm. Given me one sample till date. You have not given me one sample till date. Okay. 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 And okay. Okay. Mhm. Okay. 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 Why don't we push it with the, we have taken technology for this from ICR, and we can push it there also with our CFA brand. Okay. See, what I'm talking is different, sir. I'm saying CFA has taken technology transfer from SBI Coimbatore for soil testing. I told you earlier also, right? We can take this device to them and say that we have done the improvement on the technology, and with their collaboration, we can brand it with the name of CFAI. A separate model, you can change the structure for that, right? And it can be put to that. Hmm. Because we have invested a couple of money just for the business. Business will come from the, this only, no? SBI only will come. Tender will come. We need to get it approved. Mm. Mm. 4th of November, I'm going to make trials of this machine. And yeah, 4th and 5th. People from Maharashtra, Sumitji, Rajiv, all of them are coming here. Right, 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 right. Okay, okay, thank you. Sure, sorry, sorry. Okay, okay, okay.